Hello everyone, welcome to So Aldo. On today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a face mask with pockets so you can put filter in it. I pre-cut the fabrics already and it is 9 by 10 inches. You notice on the right side of the fabric there are lines. I actually marked it 1 inch apart so I can easily pleat it. And if you like, you can also press the fabric so it will lay flatter and it looks nicer. I'm just going to sew it here and here. I will repeat the same steps on the lining. I'm going to hem it by double folding it, and I will repeat the same steps on the main fabric as well. So now I am going to match the right sides. Yeah, you want it a little loose like that just because this will stretch. Okay, so you want the lining to stretch with the mask. So close the raw edges. Back stitch. So after that it should look like this. So that's the front, that's the back. So now we are just going to turn it side out. Just like that. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to do a stay stitch. Stitch it right there. And this is the final product. As you can see, it is very easy to make. You can insert a filter inside. And this mask is also reversible just because the lining is just as beautiful as the main fabric. I will be making a Dalgona coffee. So first I will be using this instant coffee tutorial that I saw, equal parts of everything. So that is half a teaspoon of instant coffee, half a teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of hot water. And then let's just blend it. Just like that. So this is milk. Okay, guys. This is the Dalgona coffee that I made. As you can see, it looks so thick. And I'm going to mix it now and see how it actually tastes. Guys, I'm impressed. I can see why there is a big obsession on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. This is good stuff. This is good. So if you want it strong, you just add more instant coffee, sugar, and water. So basically, it's like 1-to-1 ratio. It's good. Try it, guys. You might just like it. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys like this simple tutorial. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.